What does movement mean to you? Well, maybe it means getting back in the game or rediscovering that perfect balance. Movement might mean running free without any pain. Or it could mean being able to stay close to the ones you love. It could mean pushing your limits or going further than ever before. No matter what movement means to you, we're here to help. At Tangelo, we believe movement is the foundational element to living your best life. Our goal is to help you maintain your movement. Tangelo clinics inspire and uplift through our hybrid approach to manual therapy and movement. Manual therapy techniques blend hands-on therapy and soft tissue disciplines into a method all our own. Movement therapy helps your body realign and heal so you can keep moving and live your best life.